It's safe to say that first impressions count quite a lot. So, if you want to be more successful in business, socially, or romantically, you'll want to make sure you smile often. People who smile frequently tends to be more confident and successful than those who don't. That being said, it's obvious that taking care of your teeth and mouth is very important. I've come up with 5 proven ways to brighten your smile and boost your confidence. Brush your teeth frequently. Brushing your teeth frequently is an absolute must if you want to get a winning smile. You should brush your teeth both in the morning and before you go to bed if you want to clean it from bacteria. Bacteria that cause bad breath can also be found on the tongue, so make sure you also clean your tongue as you brush. It's also very important that you change your toothbrush or electric toothbrush head every 2 months, since these tends to wear out over the time. When it comes to your choice of toothpaste, it's always recommended that you go for a renowned brand. Avoid foods that stain your teeth. If your food or drink is dark before you put it into your mouth, it's guaranteed to affect the color of your teeth. In order to avoid this, you should brush your teeth as soon as you're done eating. Lowering the consumption of the food that can stain your teeth is also recommended. These are mostly sweets, berries, and citrus foods. Drinks such as red wine and coffee can also stain your teeth, and lowering their consumption is always a good idea. I like to drink these with a straw in order to make sure they don't get in contact with my teeth. Eat foods that clean your teeth. Just like there are foods that are bad for your teeth, there are also those that clean them. Apples, celery, and raw carrots are considered to be natural cleaners, and they're the best foods for your teeth. Eating these is a great option when you simply have to go through a day without being able to brush your teeth. Cheese isn't a food that cleans your teeth, but it prevents other foods from hurting them as you eat. Furthermore, cheese is rich in calcium and it's going to keep your breath fresh. Floss every day. Another important thing you should do every day if you want to have a beautiful smile is floss. By flossing you'll be cleaning spots that your toothbrush simply can't reach, which means your teeth will be cleaner and you won't have to worry about bad breath. If you know how to floss without having to look into a mirror, it means you can floss no matter where you are. I always make sure I buy a few packs of floss and scatter them in my handbag, office, and car. Visit your dentist regularly. Don't leave it until it's too late to pay a visit to your dentist. By scheduling regular appointments with your dentist, you'll save loads of money and have a smile that you love. It's very important that you find a dentist you're comfortable with and schedule all of your appointments with them. People love being surrounded by people who smile often, and if you follow these 5 proven ways, you'll be smiling more than ever. Just make sure you always keep looking for new ways to get a winning smile and give yourself a confidence boost.